Hey y'all, this is Vic. Hey, welcome to my channel. Hey, I appreciate everybody. Appreciate all my new subscribers. Uh, Welcome. And hey, from my mystery toolbox haul video that I did earlier last week. I don't know. Right at the beginning, I pulled this old big screwdriver out, and when I saw it, I thought, man, that thing probably would never get clean. But that's the video I'm gonna do today. See what we can come up with. I don't expect it to be anything other than a user. So we're going to try to take it from a penny screwdriver to worth a nickel. So hey, I hope y'all are having a good one. And thank y'all so much. Looks like that would have been green at one time. I don't know. All right. So here's what we got. No way to get, well, I'm sure there probably is a way to get all these scratches out, but I think I took it from a 50-cent screwdriver, which, I got this in that $7 mystery tool haul box. And if y'all remember from the beginning, that thing, I mean, it's a major improvement. and it's a user. So I took it from 50 cents to $1 and didn't spend much time with it. But I could have. I imagine if I wanted to sit here all day and get all these scratches out, I could. But I mean, now I got, it's a usable screwdriver. Use it for a pry bar, undo screws. It had found a number on it, S388. So I hadn't looked that up yet to see what brand it is. Had no other markings on it, but I did find that. And but anyways, so not everything's got to come out perfect. Put it back in the toolbox, use it, have no guilty conscience of scratching it, denting it, banging it. Go ahead and continue to use vice grips on it to twist whatever we need. So anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed it. Thank y'all. That's Bonnie. Looks like 3/4. Here's a Bonnie. Has a CV circles, 1/16, 1.5. Bonnie is different here. It's a HD40. Here's another Bonnie. It's a 4246, 1/7/16, 1 3/8 CV. These are used.